Guys, Lego Commander. Hey guys, Lego Commander 13 here. This is my first video. It's a review. I just want to say I wish you guys a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. I haven't really gotten around to it. It's January 1st. But anyways, I hope you got everything you wanted. I got some money, and so I just bought myself an iPod Touch, and I'm using the video for this, so it's probably not going to be very good quality. Sorry. But currently I'm doing a review. The Lego City fire truck set, or tank truck. Sorry. Set 3180. It's 222 pieces and recommended ages 5 to 12. It's a city set. So yeah, here's the box. See now. Pull it out. The top. It's really crappy. On the top you can see just stuff, skylight in the background, like a city. Here's the back. So it says hey. It's the airport guy. This obviously would probably could do well with your airport, because down here it's got some airport signs. Or maybe your gas station. They think they had one at one time. But yeah, some like action poses, like he's pumping gas in there and getting on top. Here he's just putting those things so this thing won't roll away. Down here he's just driving. So yeah. That's cool. Yeah. So again, here's there. Sorry about that. Here's the manual. As you see, it comes in ordered bags to build the different parts. Yeah. Here's the bags. Mattress bags. I usually just keep them so I can. There's ways you just go back and you find the pieces that go into each of these bags, and then you can put them in there, and it's a lot better for that. Here's the sticker sheet. It's empty, and these bags are falling off. And the extra pieces you get. Very crappy lighting here. Yeah. So you get guys, I'm really sorry about this, but I have all my lights on. So you get 2 extra orange studs, 2 extra red studs, and the trans clear. You get a clear cheese slope, like a yellowish clear trans cheese slope. I'm sorry, it's not really focusing. And you get a gray little detector piece thing, radar, if you can see that. A green cheese slope and a lever. This is the lever. Oh, sorry about that. A Technic pin. Yeah, you guys can't really see those. I'm sorry. My next video would be better. Oh crap. Oh, whatever. Let's get on to the review. I'll just start with the gas thing first. Nice gas pump. This little hose you can put in your cars if you got some things. I'm working on my airport. This is gonna be my airport. So yeah. Just leave that. Sticker. This panel is printed. That's where you can pump the fuel in. There's a hose. So, yeah, it's octane, so white, red, and green. Yeah. So that to the side. And we'll go into the truck. Currently, I have my figure in kind of a motion as if he's getting out, but we'll just pull him down real quick. He's got the smiley face showing the teeth, brown eyes. Oh, focus in. It's iPod camera, so what do you expect, I guess? I'm still new. Brown eyebrows, he's kind of evil looking. The same old oil torso they've been using for a long time. I'd like to see a new one, actually. Because the Octane logo doesn't really look very good. No back printing and just some standard white legs. Just put that. Alright, so here's the cab. Well, actually, I think we'll do the... Hold on a second. Ah, jeez. Fail. Please don't say anything bad about this video. I will get a lot better, but this is the first video I'm actually making on this. Here's the thing, there's stickers, both sides, it says Octane, the logo, and back here, and then there's energy, it's on both sides. Here's the top, some nice detail, and the back there's a stepladder, and this is on the front as well. It's the license plate, and some trivia in case you don't already know this, that it is the JM is the logo, is the initials for the designer. So it's the initials, for the first and last initials of the designer, and then the model number. So yeah, there's the nice tailgate, rims. Here's the hose, just pulls out. Don't really want to do it. What to say. It takes forever. And then here is where they don't want to come out. These things it's just two pieces. And they do is they go under here, and it's so that your thing won't roll away. See, it kind of stops it. Sorry, kind of stops it. So yeah. There. Oh, and while we're here, I forgot. And there's this little thing right here. It goes up and down. So when it's attached, it go in to attach to the cab. When it's down, it just goes like that. So it doesn't tip over. So yeah. And when you put it in the cab, it just... This thing, little Technic blue, kind of like Technic pin on the bottom. You can see that. It's like the plus, and then there's a little hole right somewhere. You can see that probably. There's a little hole. This thing just slides in. I need better lighting, I know, but we'll just take that out. The back, we have these two red and yellow things. Nice. These are stickers. It's like anything. Yeah. Rims only in the front, not in the back of it. Tailgate, as you can see, JM initials. So yeah. Although I would like to see a different for the truck, the trailer thing, because they usually don't have the same things, but whatever. There's a big grill in the front. Yeah. And again, they usually don't have it on the front and back. They usually have like something. I'd like to see if it said maybe a license plate that was like Octane or something, because they usually have, you can put like whatever you want in the front. Yeah, sticker, the Octane logos are stickers. Yeah, the nice ear, mirrors, side mirrors. Sorry, we'll open the cab up. Oh, and opening doors, I forgot to mention. The door pieces. I'm not sure if you can see them. They open. So yeah, there's that. And now we'll go on the inside. This just pops off the hood piece. And yeah, By the way, they have the little pieces there. Down in there, I'm not sure if you can see. Yellow steering wheel and seat, and there's a coffee mug right there. Along with a lever. You can barely see it though. And there's clear things in the back. Clear windows. So yeah, that pretty much wraps this review up. So yeah, this has been LEGO Commander 13. Be watching out for some I'm going to start weekly updates and stuff. So yeah. I think that's pretty much it. See ya.